What happens during the assessment lesson? Depending on your experience will determine where you start your lesson. Let's say you're a beginner and you want answers at the end of the lesson on how long it's going to take to pass. We will cover the beginning subjects, moving off and stopping, and then move on to turning left and right. Depending on your ability, you may cover more. By the end of the lesson, we'll be able to gauge how many hours you will need to get up to test standard. Let's say you've done 10 to 20 hours with another driving school. You've had a bit of a bad time with them and you want to try us. We would assess your general driving first for around 10 to 15 minutes, then pull you up briefly and let you know what we think of your driving and where we should start teaching you from. During the 2-hour assessment, we would also take you over some of the test route areas to see what you know and what you don't know. Any areas you haven't covered, we would explain to you and then see how you respond to those tricky areas when we go over them again. We would also look at your manoeuvres to see what level you perform them at and how much time is required to get them up to test standard. Don't worry if you haven't done any of the manoeuvres. We'll introduce 1 or 2 of them to you and just see how you respond to new information. At the end of the assessment lesson, your instructor will report your progress in the back of your driving manual, which looks like this. This will be given to you at the end of your lesson. This will show you your strengths and weaknesses from the lesson and an estimated time it will take in driving lessons to iron out those weaknesses and have you ready for your driving test.